human DNA is so complex that, in fact, one of the founding fathers of DNA actually came out with a statement saying that DNA was far too complex to have originated from the Darwinian theory of evolution, and that it must be something that is an intrinsic pattern of our universe. He said that DNA, or the components found in DNA, must be found everywhere in our universe. That is an interesting concept when we are talking about oneness, or the science of oneness, and how everything is interconnected, how we are not separate from the one infinite creator. Another interesting aspect of our DNA is that it is geometric in nature, and we can attach mathematical equations to it, for example, Fibonacci sequence. And we actually see Fibonacci sequence, or the spiral-like formation that we see in the golden ratio, in our own DNA and its shape. And so it would be interesting to compare DNA to a programmable software. What is said to be happening as we are ascending to higher realms of consciousness is that our DNA is being activated by information from the sun. Well, what's interesting about this concept, or this statement, is that 75% of our DNA is said to be dormant. Now, for something that is so complex, having 75% worth of dormant DNA in our body would seem illogical. What makes more sense is a theory which indicates that if we do have DNA that is dormant, that DNA is simply information waiting to be activated. And so when we have individuals with the IQs of Nikola Tesla and the like, then perhaps we can presume that these people simply had advanced DNA and they were able to do things that normal people couldn't.